Hi, I'm Eddie Oberoi, your Silicon Valley real estate resource. Proud to present another beautiful listing I have here in Warm Springs. Now, Warm Springs is one of the best locations in the Bay Area because of its proximity to 880, 680, 237, not to mention some of the best schools we have here in California. This particular house, I love this one because you're right next to a park. Now imagine living here, watching your kids outside playing while you're hanging out with your friends or cooking in the kitchen. I love this property. Let's take a tour. Welcome to this modern single-family home with over 2,000 square feet of luxury living space. This open and easily functional floor plan boasts recessed lighting, plenty of windows allowing abundance of natural light. Living kitchen area combo is just perfect for everyday living. The cozy kitchen has beautiful flooring, center island with seating and storage, Korean countertops with tiled backsplash, lots of cabinet storage, stainless steel appliances, and eat-in area. The master suite is just perfect with full bathroom with dual vanities, glass enclosed walk-in shower, and a separate tub. Now imagine taking in the morning fresh air on your private patio area that overlooks the community park and green belt. Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property centrally located in the Silicon Valley area, close to all the major companies like Apple, Google, Facebook, Tesla factories like 2-3 miles away from here. Now, if you have any questions, reach out to me anytime. I'm looking forward to seeing you at our mega open house this weekend. We're gonna have live jazz band, music, and drinks, so stop by and say hello.